The maps reveal developments in the British village of Wells-on-the-Water over a 25-year period. Overall, it is clear that Wells-on-the-Water developed from a small, agriculture village to a larger and more commercial settlement. The most notable development was that the forest in the north of Woods Drive was cleared and replaced with a new commercial area. A new access road, Queen's Drive, was constructed, which connected Woods Drive to the area in the northeast of the village. New shops were built along both Woods Drive and Queen's Drive. In the south of the village, Mansion Lane was extended, and a bridge was constructed, allowing access across the river. New houses were built on both sides of Mansion Lane. All of this construction seriously reduced the amount of farmland around the village. The old farmhouse and the post office at the western end of Mansion Lane were demolished and replaced with a park. The post office was relocated to one of the new buildings on Queen's Drive. The largest building in the village in both years was the mansion. However, by 2010 it had been converted into a care home. Likewise, the old factory was converted into luxury flats. Only Mansion Gardens remained unchanged throughout the period.